Classics. Today I'm going over to Wrenching in the Woods with Brian Watts. He's been featured on the channel before. Awesome guy. He does a lot with old classic cars like I do. And going over here today to see what our next project's going to be and show y'all what all he's got. And if you want to get in touch with the guy, I'll hook you up with him, give you your phone number and everything else, and go from there. Save some more old classic cars. So we're almost there, and when I get there we'll resume. Stay tuned. Try to see if I can zoom in on it. Well, can't really see it, but old Volkswagen bus sitting over there. Early 70s, late 60s maybe. Don't really know. We're almost there. Hot boiled peanuts. Southern as can be right there. Got the cattle crossing. Let's park up here and walk on down. Oh. That's sharp. I like that. Zoom back out. Forgot I was zoomed in there. That'd be a good one right there. Old Ford back here. I think a couple of these is already sold. I love that. That's nice. I think this one's already sold. Still good to look at though. Got the engine in it. Old camper. Over here we got some old grills. An old Ford van. That's nice. That's pretty solid too. Old club wagon. Nice. What is this, MG? Not a bad little car here. I always wanted one of these. Let me know which ones you think I'm getting, if any. Old Ford Ranger, I think. Econoline. That's nice. I love that one. Might be interested in this one. Old barn find. Got Traegers on it. Got an engine. '58 Biscayne. I like it. These floors. Dash is complete. Old Mercury. 53, I believe. Not a bad ride. Got seats. Nice. What is this, about a 76 or so? Buick. Not a bad car here. Yeah. Make a good hoopty. Got seats in it. I assume drivetrain. I like the Chevy here. I believe this one's sold too. Love the fins on the trunk. Curved back glass inward. That's awesome. Over here we got a cool old truck. Ford F-350. Sweet. I like the Cougar here. Make a good hot rod. Definitely. Might be interested in this one too. I don't know if the door opens. No, I don't know. It's got the drivetrain in it. And here we have a Plymouth out of 53 maybe. It also has original seats. Glass looks to be good. Decent body. Drivetrain. Love the hood ornament. Here we have a Nash. Pretty solid. I'm guessing about a 49. Not bad, not bad. Use some glass. Inside. Not bad. Here we have a Chevrolet. It's a fat tire right there. Here we have a 52 Cadillac. I love this one. Complete engine, trans. Has most of the chrome. Glass is good. Cadillac. Take a look on the inside. finish. Needs a little bit of floor work. Dash is complete. I like the dash emblem, Cadillac. Shuts good. Good old Chevrolet here. You said this one's sold too, ain't it?
Yep, that one's going to Meridian, Mississippi.
Wow.
That one sold too. That sold this morning.
This one here? Yeah. I wonder who bought it. Good looking truck here.
That's right. Got a good wrench crate motor in it.
350.
Supposedly installed 6 years ago. And then 4 years ago it was parked.
Sitting 4 years. What y'all think?
Because they didn't have it tagged when he was driving it on the farm.
Uh-huh.
Makes sense to me.
Yeah. Not a bad truck here. Think we can get it to run? This is our new project. Bought it this morning. Can't wait to get started on it. Take a look on the inside. Nothing the seat cover can't fix. Floors is good. Dash is a little cooked. 4-wheel drive. Cheyenne. I like it. Can't wait to get started on it. Over here we got a Ford Galaxy. This is one of my favorites here. It's a roller, but he has a complete convertible to go with it. To put in the drivetrain. Solid body. Galaxy 500. Very nice. Everything here is very reasonable. Ryan's a great guy to deal with. Highly recommend him. This has got to be one of my favorites here. Definitely the best conditioned one. If you're a Ford guy, here you go. Alright, show you some more in a second. We got some wheels, Kragers. Love me some Kragers. Best they ever made. Some tires. Spare fenders. That old wagon here. Love the old wagon. Falcon. Wow. I like that. Not bad condition considering. Roof is good. I think he said it was a 61. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. There's the dash. Interior. Does have the engine in it. Here we have a, I think he said 76 Mustang. Be a good little project, hot rod. Well, I was gonna walk through, but I ain't gonna tear down his nest. So I'll walk around. Show you the back of the Mustang. Got the keys still in the trunk lock. Inside. Roller, no engine. Got a couple VW buses full of parts, hubcaps, doors, fenders, deck lids, all kinds of good stuff. Headlight covers or whatever. Good glass. Like I said, we got fenders and we got a seat. All that good stuff. Windshield don't look too bad. It probably clean up decent. Here we have another VW bus. Rusty, but lots of good parts. Hard to find parts. Highly sought after right here. Not sure on the year here, but it's a VW bus. I love it. Growing up, my mom had a few of them. Got me into it. Oh, seat, an old bottle there. That's nice. 1973, South Carolina. Yeah, that's it. And what do we have here? I'm not sure on this one. I forgot what he said this one was. Rambler, okay. 2-door, hardtop. There's the interior. Has the engine. Not bad, not bad. Look at a good little car here. Really. Locking gas cap. That's good. And here we have another Galaxie convertible. 66. This is the one I was saying has the drivetrain that could be restored, but he is willing to sell the two as a pair, so you could build the red one that I showed you first. The reason why this one he ain't gonna restore is because the tree fell on it, but like I said, it could be restored. I mean, it's a hard to find rare car. Ain't many like it. Definitely needs some floors, but what do you expect? So that's what he's got, and we'll walk back down here and introduce y'all to him, show you his contact information. This is Brian. If you've got anything you want to say.
Yep, if you're interested in any of the cars, there's my number on that door.
Here you go, y'all. Be
Check
sure
out
to
my
give him a
YouTube
call.
channel.
He's on YouTube.
WITW Performance on YouTube.
803-331-7645.
Everything's for sale except for the dogs.
Everything but the dogs. All right, y'all. Be good.